Today we will explore the basics of information architecture and its role in design. We will also look at how information architecture and user experience design are connected, its key components, and how it helps designers build a strong user experience. This is the second video in my Crash Course series where we cover all the basics that you need to follow in order to become a successful UX/UI designer. Information architecture is the process of organizing content, so users can find everything they need without much effort. We need to consider the needs of the target audience to create a content structure that prioritizes user satisfaction. That structure depends on the type of product you are designing. For example, a retail website and a blog will have two different structures designed to achieve different objectives. The goal of information architecture is to allow users to understand the product, learn how to use it, and to achieve their goals in the most efficient way. The irony of it is that users only see information architecture when it's weak, like when organization of content doesn't make sense or it's hard to use something. On the other hand, when successful, it becomes invisible to the users. Information architecture forms the skeleton of any design project. And designers build visual elements, functionality, interaction, and navigation based on its principles. Without appropriate information architecture, compelling content elements and powerful UI design can fail, as unrecognized content makes navigation difficult, causing users to feel lost and annoyed. Many companies and even designers don't see the importance of information architecture, thinking it's impractical. But a well-established information architecture guarantees a high-quality product and reduces the possibility of usability and navigation problems. A well-thought-out architecture can save both time and money the company would otherwise have spent fixing and improving the product. Although information architecture and UX design are related, they are not the same. Information architecture is a blueprint of the design structure, which can be generated into wireframes and sitemaps. We as designers are using these as basic materials to plan navigation systems. UX design, on the other hand, aims to create pleasant interaction models to make users comfortable using the product, including aspects such as emotion and psychology, where information architecture focuses on the user goals. To build a strong information architecture for your product, you need to understand its four main systems: organization, labeling, navigation, and searching. Organization systems are groups or categories in which information is divided, helping users predict where they can find certain information easily. There are three main organizational structures: hierarchical, sequential, and matrix. Hierarchical structure is based on Gestalt psychological theory, while sequential structure creates a path for users to follow. Matrix structure allows users to choose their way of navigation. Labeling systems involve ways of data representation. Designers use labels to represent large amounts of data in a few words. Labels help simplify content and make it easy to navigate. Navigation systems involve the ways users move through content. The system is complex and uses different actions and techniques to guide users throughout the app or website to help them fulfill their goals and interact with the product successfully. Okay, now that we have theory out of the way, I want to show you the most popular design patterns related to expression of information architecture in interface design. This pattern is most popular in content-heavy websites or apps. On the website, there are long lists of articles, products, videos, and so on, which users can browse and search for. Typical elements of this pattern include recommended section, search engine, and list of items or categories. Prime examples of this pattern are YouTube or Amazon. In this pattern, your mobile app has typically one core functionality that doesn't require any input from the user. Based on settings or previous searches, the app presents results that allow users to take immediate action. Prime example of this pattern is Snapchat. In this pattern, constant feed of images, articles, comments, videos, or other content is constantly updated. Those elements of live feed most of the time are presented as cards with image, title, short introduction, and link. Prime example of this pattern are Twitter and most social media apps. In this pattern, we have a grid of items that serve as an overview of available elements. Dashboard is often the first screen that the user sees after signing up to the various platforms. Most present in business-oriented apps, dashboards display most important information, tables or charts related to the service. Apart from those, there are many more information architecture patterns, but I don't want to bore you, so here they are. In conclusion, good information architecture is the foundation of efficient user experience, and this skill is essential for designers. Effective information architecture makes the product easy to use, but only in conjunction with design thinking does the product have a powerful user experience. In the next part, we will cover navigation, which will allow users to navigate through your project.